It is fall break here and our dolls can use a little pampering. So let's make a spa. Using foam board, scrapbook paper, square wooden dowels, and skinny sticks, I found these at Walmart. Felt, cotton fabric, socks, recycle a picture from a calendar, recycled cardboard, and glue. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I start by drawing a rectangle that is 4 inches by 12 inches. Cut it out, place the doll on the cardboard, and draw a small oval where the head is. Carefully cut it out, cover it with felt, wrapping the felt around the edges, turn it over, make small cuts in the felt at the oval, then fold them over and glue in place. Add a layer of cotton fabric, gluing it around the edges, and cut out the hole just as before, gluing it in the back. Glue on a piece of felt to cover the raw edges, so when the doll looks through, it's nice and neat. Glue square wooden dowels underneath, cutting them down where needed. Cut 4 5-inch wooden dowels, glue them into the corners underneath so it has 4 legs. Take 2 thin wooden dowels, glue them to the inside of the legs, cut skinny sticks, glue them underneath, leaving a little space between each one to make a shelf under the table. Take a white gem sock, turn it inside out, cut it into rectangles, fold and stack a few, place them on the shelf to look like towels. Cut a rectangle out of a t-shirt, fold it, place it over the bottom of the table with a towel to make a massage table. Now we need a background. Using foam board, I cut 2 15 by 12.5 rectangles and 1 12.5 by 12.5. I cover the 2 rectangles with a wood scrapbook paper, and for the square, I am going to recycle an image from a calendar. Add strips of scrapbook paper to frame the picture to look like a window. Glue the walls to the floor to make a corner room. Then we can place our table inside for the perfect backdrop. I cut a few rectangles of cardboard, glue them together to make a box. Cover with scrapbook paper, glue it into the room to make a small counter. I made a smaller one and glued it to the wall for a shelf. Place a few rocks on the shelf, Bath and Froggy Works products and towels on the counter. Glue an artificial plant into a bead for a touch of green to complete our doll spa. Then we can wrap a cut sock around the doll and stitch it on the side to look like a towel. And now our dolls can enjoy a day at the spa. And if we remove everything from the room and use the counter as a bench and pretend the dolls are in a sauna, because all dolls deserve to be pampered. Thank you for joining us while we made our doll spa. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
It was a shame, 'cause I think I loved her Jenny Ryan. It wasn't a game, at least not for Jenny, at least not for Jenny.
We want to give a shout out to Cuteness Forever Puppy 2. What's up? Alright, Froggy, now this is a project I can use. Ha! You thought? Why are you laughing? I got the next appointment. My Dollyverse, my spa. We'll see about that. Looks like I'm here first. Ooh, my very first customer. What should I start with? Ooh, rocks. Oh no, help!